Once upon a time in the delicious painted skies of LoopyLand, lived a hippopotamus named Harmony who wore an oversized polka-dot bowler hat and played the drums, using her rainbow-striped tusks. Not your regular drum kit, but drums made from giant jellybeans that never melted. Harmony was in a band with a pancake parrot, Ferris, who whistled tunes so catchy, even the clouds danced and giggled. Together, they made LoopyLand's happiest musical marvels. One starry afternoon, while the sun was jelly jumping and the moon was practicing its nighttime jokes, a problem stirred. A jumbo jar of strawberry spaghetti twisters, LoopyLand's healthiest magic food, vanished. Everyone relied on those magic twisters to give them rainbow wiggles and vitamin-rich giggles, keeping them playful all day. Without it, they'd be flat as a pancake. Don't worry, we'll band together and solve this, Harmony urged, making a brave face, dropping her vegetable microphone and putting on her detective goggles. Ferris chimed in, "I'm with you, Harmony." Quote, they gathered their team of melodious animals, tap dancing turtle, beatbox beaver, and senor saxophone snake. With teamwork and some musical clues hidden in their songs, they found the magic jar hiding behind a whispering willow tree. The tree promised to keep the twisters safe if everyone agreed to spend one day every week hugging trees, a day called Tree Hug Tuesday. High-fiving their leafy friend, Harmony declared, "We promise to respect nature always." Under a sparkler fiesta in the sky, they celebrated with a mega concert, sharing strawberry spaghetti twisters with everyone, including their giggly alien friends. Their victory was sweet, and they learned this magic hard fact: fun discipline, eating healthy, respecting nature, and bonding with friends in teamwork create the most melodic adventures. So, they made a LoopyLand pact: nap when the stars tell bedtime jokes, help others with kindness spells, be curiously kind, and share with everyone, even with beings from other worlds. And that, my little comet, is how Harmony the hippopotamus drummer and her friends faced the spaghetti twister adventure. In the weird but cute chaos of LoopyLand, they inspired us all to drum to our best rhythm in every cosmic adventure.